much po sa lahat. Thank you so much. Okay,
My love from New York. Where are you? Oh, yan na pala. Uy! Wow!
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you again to Sir Louie, to Ate Hanilo, and to all the judges. And sa lahat ng mga feedback and comments nyo, maraming salamat. Thank you. And sa mga sponsors. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Enchong from 9 Agency who got the second place winner. Laimay ka na doon ni Josa. Oh my God! Ito na tayo sa ating Grand Champion. Oh my God! Ito na talaga. Ito na. Press 1 guys. Everybody press 1. Okay. Mag-drum ka na para medyo nakaka-intense. Nakaka-intense ba?
Mas nakaka-intense ata yung heartbeat. May heartbeat ka ba dyan?
Okay.
Ay, ikaw na.
Let's move on to our Grand Champion for this event. You are the Born to be a Star Grand Champion who gathering score of 94.5%. Congratulations to Bornick! Oh my God! Congratulations to Bornick!
The first ever
Oh my
champion
God!
of the Born to be a Singer.
Second, yes.
Bornick, come up.
Oh my God!
Come up. Bornick, open ka.
Ay, congratulations!
Oh my God!
I wanna see Goddess again.
Hi, sir! Okay!
Dahil dyan, you can give us one interview.
Wait lang. Okay, Miss Nine. Okay, you say Miss Nine is the one who's gonna drop the grand prize! Oh my God! Nawala na talaga yung ngipin niya. Nawala na talaga ang ngipin ng Bornick na yan.
Nalaglag na ba?
Nalaglag ang kanyang ngipin.
Akala ko panty lang nalalaglag.
Ay, magic pala. Ang magic niya pala.
Thank you. Salamat.
Hindi na maka-traffic.
Congrats.
Hello, Miss Nine. Dito ba si Miss Nine?
Naghahantay sila sa sample mo na, Bornick.
Sige po.
While we're waiting for your prize, can you give us your best?
Wait lang tayo, baka si Miss Nine.
Represent that you deserve to be the champion of the first ever. Alam mo na.
Kaya kumanta ka muna eh. You can sing.
Star Grand Champion. Let's all welcome Bornick from VPA Agency. Let's go.
Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga judges, to the organizers and everyone. Maraming salamat, Coach. Thank you. Barbilat Agency, lahat ng mga kabagang dyan. Team Barbilat, thank you so much. I love you all. This song is for you guys. I used to think that I could not go on. That was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. style in life I must achieve. But first I know it starts inside of me. If I can see it, believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe I can fly. Oh, 'cause you believe in me. Oh, if I can see, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. And I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. Thank you so much, SB Agency.
Ay, inintay ko asa na. Baka nag-lag to, nawala na siya magbagsak kasi sa Grand Champion.
Thank you. Grabe. Nagsimula ako dito na laging talunan. Laging luha.
Her mic is open. Nina, are you there?
Ah? I don't know. Miss Nine, are you there? Hindi ko alam. Nandyan ba si Miss Nine?
Miss Nine?
May PM ako.
Revealed Agency, thank you po.
I believe Hi, Miss Nine. Are you there? Naiyak na talaga si Bornick. Wala pa ang premium.
Wala na iyak.
Nag-lag kasi si Miss Nine.
Oo, kanina pa siya nalaglag.
Kanina pa yung nalaglag
Coach,
na
thank you.
si Coach
Congratulations
Frank.
po sa mga winners.
Salamat
Congrats
po,
din sa'yo.
judges. Thank you po.
Ito naman na yung iyak mo.
Tuloy may iyak mo to.
Naririnig. Hello.
Apa na rin.
Alright, so now ladies and
Kanta
gentlemen,
na kayo, kanta na. Wala na naman
Boss
siya.
Agency, let's welcome Kami.
Pakantayin muna natin si Kami habang wala pa si Miss Nine. Baka nag-lag talaga yan siya. Kinap ko na siya.
Hinintay ko yung message. Nare-reply ni Cutie. But here's
Ay, cutie!
Kaya ko. Wala akong lobby. Let's go.
I see a feel
Ano yung Facebook mo?
wherever you are. I believe edi masaya na naman si NX Generation.
Tinulungan siya ni Miss Nine. Miss Nine helped him.
Andito na
I
ba?
hope you understood. I've been thinking about it all day long.
never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it hurts just to be your There's no hurry, don't you worry. Take our time, come to the quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your bed. Wala pa rin. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it all day long. Never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Hello. Hadouken! Assalamualaikum Rio. Oh yeah.
Jerome. And now we give our attention to Kami.
Patay. Buwang ka.
Sebi.
Saglit lang, maghanap mo na ako ng kanta. Di ko na ready dito. Daspat na to.
Di pwede yun. Dapat lagi kang ready
Oo
dyan.
na. Oo, ito na.
Why not give the spotlight to Vernick? He's the grand champion for Born to
Ay, hindi. Nanalo na siya eh. Siya na lang lagi. Hindi. Ano, palagi na lang siya. O, nalo na siya oh.
Sabihin ako ng kanta.
Alam niyo,
Ano na?
naglalamig yung kamay ko dito.
Ingay nyo.
Ano kayo dyan? Ayaw niyong kumanta?
Wala mo ako, boses.
Ako na nga lang kakanta. No, from Tunisia niya, no. Minwen.